It began with a raid in Faridabad and a chilling recovery of 360 kilos of ammonium nitrate and other bomb-making chemical material, packed in small parcels. The cargo was loaded onto a Tata 407 and driven across the Delhi-Srinagar highway under heavy police oversight before reaching Naugam police station. What happened over the next 48 hours would turn an evidence check into tragedy. Inside Naugam station, multiple teams walked in and out. Forensic science laboratories, investigators, revenue officials, crime branch photographers, even a local tailor called in to stitch the evidence bags. They were preparing to seal the seizure as protocol demands. But at 11:20 p.m., as the final samples were being collected, an explosion tore through the building. 9 killed, 32 injured, walls shattered, a police station reduced to rubble. The cause still under investigation. And now attention turns to the SOP. The rigid playbook India's security forces follow the moment explosives are spotted. Step 1. Freeze the grid. A 200 to 500 meter civilian evacuation. Lead cordons, power and gas shutoffs, mobile signals blocked. No officer touches any material. Not even a shift in air pressure is risked, especially when peroxide-based explosives like TATP may be present. Step 2. The specialists move in. Local bomb squads, ATS units, NIA teams, and in high hazard cases, the elite NSG. Alongside them, forensic experts meticulously document and sample the material. Step 3. Identification without touching. Ammonium nitrate and ammonium nitrate fuel oil are checked using distance-based chemical scans. But for triacetone, triperoxide or TATP, the dreaded mother of Satan, even field testing is avoided. Remote scanners, X-ray systems and robotic manipulators are used because a spark, a shake or a static charge can trigger disaster. Step 4. Neutralization. Ammonium nitrate, non-explosive on its own, is secured in special containers, cushioned against friction and taken to designated depots. More dangerous mixtures are isolated and destroyed only at controlled, secure ranges, often under NSG supervision. In Kashmir, somewhere along this chain, something went catastrophically wrong. And now, investigators are piecing together every step from seizure to sampling to that final fatal moment. Because when it comes to explosives, the difference between safety and devastation can be a single misstep.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.